Steve is the exoskeleton responsible for the insertion of people with lower limb limitations, including paraplegics and amputees with stabilized injuries, at Dell factory workstations where employees need to be standing to perform their activities. Connected to Industry 4.0, this wearable and motorized device allows interaction between man and machine, ensuring at the same time the realization of the work with full autonomy, comfort and safety. The exoskeleton prototype relies on the implementation of HeadSteve, which enables small movements or locomotion triggered by head motions when the user is standing up. The device provides greater comfort and ergonomic accommodation with new padding and straps. In addition, it has both anthropometric micro-adjustments functionalities, which allows Steve to adapt to the user's body measurements, and the connection to sensors that track the employee's vital signs in real time, allowing better medical follow-up. In the future, the data collected due to Steve's continuous use may be stored in the cloud using big data techniques for analyzing and improving the suitability of the exoskeleton in the factory setting.